Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Edmond Midaros, and for today's quick tutorial, and I'm going to show you guys on how to make Yahoo your default search engine on the Google Chrome web browser. And without further ado, and let's go ahead. So all you have to do is to open up on a Chrome browser, and then dito lang sa top right corner, and then kailangan mo lang select dito yung tatlong dot. And then next step ay scroll down and then select mo lang dito yung settings. And dito sa settings, ang next step ay kailangan mo lang i-select dito yung search engine. Ito siya. So, i-click mo lang yan. And then dito sa right side ay makikita mo kaagad dito yung search engine. Okay? So, the search engine you choose will be used for features like searching from the address bar and from images on the web page. Kung paano ba natin yan i-change into Yahoo, and then dito lang sa right side, i-click mo lang tong change, and then makikita mo agad dito yung search engine at nandito lahat yung iba't ibang klase ng default search engine. Okay? So, select lang natin dito yung Yahoo Philippines. So, i-click mo lang tong circle na yan, and then i-click mo lang dito yung set as default. Okay? So, click mo lang yan. Alright, so makikita mo dito na is now your default search engine, yung notification dito. Okay? So, kailangan lang natin itong mag-relaunch. So, cross lang natin to and then relaunch lang tayo. Alright, and then, search lang tayo dito. Okay. So, makikita mo na dito na napalitan na yung ating default search engine into Yahoo. Alright, makikita mo na dito. Okay, so ganun lang po kasimple on how to make Yahoo search default engine on Google Chrome. And please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys and see you in my next tutorial.